one gold man arrested. Gold man means the person who is always going to wear gold was arrested. What is the case filed on this person is, he is wearing full gold man. Almost 3 to 4 kgs of gold is there on his body. 3 to 4 kgs of gold is there on his body. Then, array, I'm doing gold business from Dubai. We are going to get very less price gold. 1 kg gold almost around 1.6 crore is there. 1.5 crore, 1.6 crore is there. 1 kg gold. Just we will provide for 1 crore only. Okay, but only thing is we are not having any bills. Okay, if you want, please let me know. Like a third person introduced one person to the gold man. Even the third middle person is telling, yeah, I bought multiple times gold also. I bought multiple times gold from the same person, genuine person, man. Why don't you? Like, you believe that word. Then you pay 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs and so on, 1 crore. 1 crore to get 1 kg gold. So because 50 lakhs straightforward profit, right? 50 lakhs straightforward profit, right? Then, where is my gold? You ask her. Just in the next month, next week it's going to come. Next month it's going to come. By next month, 12th compulsory. 11th only will come. 11th only will come. And 12th, safe side one day I'm telling. 11th at what time it will come, I don't know. 12th morning, you are not required to make phone call also. Directly come to my house and you can take. Keep on telling the same. Then at last he identified that I got cheated. He went to the police station. The policeman arrested that person. Now this scenario came into the picture. In this scenario, whose mistake it is? Yes, man, the person who paid 1 crore, that person mistake, or otherwise the person who took 1 crore, that person mistake. Who paid? Victim's mistake it is. The reason for that is that the greedy nature, that greedy nature, atyasha antaru kada. That greedy nature makes this person, okay, dumb and blindly is going to invest. Don't attract very fancy schemes, high returns schemes. Like don't attract such type of things. Don't. So you should away from that. Array, my principal amount should be safe. Next, even small returns also no problem for me. If I continue for huge number of years or multiple years, long term, then there is one person is there. At last he is going to give you big returns for me. Who is that person?
Compounding.
There is a big person is there at last. He is going to give big returns. Unimaginary, unexpected, surprising returns I'm going to get. Just even small returns also no problem for me. Safe thing must be required. Like if you are going to do that, compounding is there at last to provide huge benefit for you people. So compulsory before investment, proper knowledge you people should have.